Have you ever asked yourself, is your money really safe in saving accounts? Well, the truth is, it's actually losing value every single day. The problem with saving accounts, let me break it down for you. Most major banks in the UAE offer between 2 to 4% interest on saving accounts. Now, compare that with the UAE's inflation rate, which is around 3%. That means if you keep 10,000 dirham in your saving accounts, you are not actually growing your money. You are just barely keeping up with the inflation. Here is how it looks. Bank is 3%, inflation is 3%. So your money isn't really growing, it's just holding its value, and even that depends on the exact interest and inflation rates. In simple words, your money stays the same in value but loses purchasing power over time. Let's look at some actual investment options available right here in the UAE and how much they could give you on that same 10,000 dirham. If you invest in stocks on DFM or ADX, you could earn around 10 to 15% annually. That means your 10,000 dirham could become 11,500 dirham in 1 year. Liquid funds are lower risk and flexible. They give around 3% to 6%, so that becomes around 10,600 dirham. In real estate, you could earn about 7 to 10% in rental income and another 10% in property appreciation. That can grow your 10,000 dirham to almost 12,000 dirham. And if you invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, you could earn more than 6% in dividends with much lower capital. So think about this. If you just leave your money in saving accounts, it's not growing at all. Every dirham sitting idly is silently losing value. So don't just save, invest. Let your money grow with purpose. And if you want simple, clear investing tips for the UAE, make sure to follow and subscribe and like this video.